Hello guys, welcome back with Tage Teachers. How are you guys doing today? So it's a very beautiful day outside today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this day. So in our last video, as we learned about AI, and I said I will with Alexa. I said that I would make another video on Alexa, but this time I thought I should do some change of plans. So, as I told you guys, Alexa was programmed with a coding language. So, today what I thought was to teach you guys a coding language, which I know it's exciting. I'm so excited for this video. So, today I'm gonna teach you guys a coding language named called HTML right over here. So, to start off is first of all we need a notepad and we need a special folder for it. So first I'll teach you guys how to create a folder. So I'm gonna delete this folder and I'll create teach you guys how to create it. So right click on your computer, laptop, whatever. Go to new and it will give you an option of folder. If you click it, it will create a new folder for you. You can name it. I'm gonna name it HTML and then press enter and you just created a folder. So this technique would come in handy for in the future for you guys too, because if you want to create a folder for anything. So let's get started for the video. So if you guys go on the main place of your computer where you can search things up and just write notepad, it will come up and go on notepad. So why do we need this notepad right now? So I'll tell you guys, this is actually a real cool thing that we could do. So to start off, I'm gonna teach you guys today. I'm gonna teach you guys actually a lot of things, I guess. So today I will be teaching you head, title, body, bold, italics, and underline. So today I'm gonna be telling you guys about all of these things. So let's get started. So to start off, we're gonna do an alligator mouth, and we're gonna write HTML all lowercase, and another alligator mouth. Then we press enter 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If not, you could do 6 or 7, whatever. You should do 5. I'm gonna do that again. I kind of messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. And then eventually it won't stay there. It will go down, down, down. It will keep on going down eventually. So now there we do another alligator mouth. And then but we have to do a slash. And that slash has to be a right slash. And what that helps us with is whenever we are doing computer programming, it tells us that it's it it just tells the code that we're ending this part of the code. So it just tells us that we're ending this part of the code. So we're ending the part of the HTML code. We're not ending the whole thing. Well, it will go further, and so this is what you need to do. Then you write HTML all lowercase again after that slash HTML, and then um fill it with another alligator mouth. Then we go to HTML and we go under it. So as you see, press and first, like I was here, press enter, and you can write, I guess, anything. I'm gonna write I love to do programming. Okay, I'm gonna do I love to do programming. So I I love to do programming. There. I do love to do programming. That's what I'm telling you guys. Full stop. Then what we are gonna do is we're gonna do head. It comes before this. So first, you guys might be wondering, what is this? Hmm, we don't know yet, but you guys will find out. So you go to HTML and press enter. Then you do alligator mouth, HEAD, alligator mouth. So that's head. Then we go under this and go alligator mouth slash head, alligator mouth. So that's the head. And then now we're gonna learn about title. So what do we do in the title is we do an alligator mouth before I love programming and write TITLE title and then alligator mouth to cover it. Then you go to the end of it. Oh, too far. Ah, there. What? There. My goodness. What? Oh, I forgot to do shift. There. Side. Oh, now there we go. Alligator mouth slash TITLE. Title. Uncovered with alligator mouth. So, this is the title. Title of what, you guys might be wondering? Well, it's a surprise. You guys will know at the end. Then, we're gonna do head. Oh, wait. Now we're gonna do body. Yes, body. So body comes after head. So we go to head and press do an enter, and we do the same thing. Alligator mouth, BODY, and alligator mouth and to cover it. Then we go, well, yeah. Then under it we write anything I want. So I'm gonna write well, come back with Tage teaches. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Full stop. Now, what do we do then? We press enter and we write alligator mouth slash BODY, body, and alligator mouth. Now, we're gonna go to bold, italics, and underline. So how do we do that? Is we go to welcome back with Tage teaches, and we press enter. We're gonna start off with bold. We're gonna do alligator mouth, B, and then alligator mouth. Not the full word BOLD. We're gonna do B. That's how it works, and we can write anything we want. Today I'm gonna write. What should I write? Oh, and first of all, you guys might be wondering what bold is. Bold is like a lighter color. So I'm gonna write. Uh, I don't. I don't know what should I write. I'm gonna write Monopoly. That's my favorite board game. Mono. Or no, I'm gonna do Bill Gates. He motivates me a lot. Bill. Oops. Gates. And then alligator mouth slash B alligator mouth. Then we're gonna do italics. Italics is just like I would say in a slant way written. So we do alligator mouth, alligator mouth, and I'm gonna write Satya Nadella. He's well, if you do you guys know him? You guys, if you guys know him, write down in the comment below if you guys know Satya Nadella. And then the first three people to answer it first get the Tage Teaches badge. So write down your email with it, and I'm gonna email you guys the badge. Okay, so now let's do Satya Nadella. Yeah. Nandela. Is that how we spell it? I don't know. Let's go to Let me see how do we spell him. I'm just gonna go to internet. I'm gonna search up how to spell Satya Nandela. Oh, there it is. I'm just gonna copy it. Thank you. Satya Nadella. Haha. Go there. Control V. There. Satya Nadella. And then alligator mouth slash I alligator mouth. Now we're gonna go and do our last thing. Underline. So we're gonna do alligator mouth, you, alligator mouth. And now I'm gonna do Stephen Hawking's. I love him too, guys. I'm gonna do Stephen Hawking's. Yep, that's how we spell it. And then we do alligator mouth, you, and alligator mouth. Oh, guys, I forgot the slash. It would not work if I didn't write the slash. Now, here comes the fun part. Are you guys all ready for this? So, do you guys remember the folder that we created? Bye bye. Do you guys remember the folder that we created in the start of the video? HTML folder or whatever you guys named it. We go to the file in our notepad, and we go to save as. It will open this whole thing. We go to desktop and we go to HTML. Then there. And then do this. Go to save as type and do all files. Now, what should we name our file? You guys could name it anything, but it has to have like this. This is the main part of the video, or this is the main part of HTML. So I'm gonna write lesson 1 on HTML. Then we have to do dot HTML for order to work. Then we do save. It's saved. Then we'll just put away our notepad and go to our folder. Oh my god, do you guys look at the paper? It says E. Let's see what it opens up. It opens enter. Guys, can you see this? Can you see this? We just created a website, guys. We just created a website. It was I didn't want to give this away, but we just created a website. So, and we're not done on this topic yet. In this topic, we can add pictures and we can add many more things. We can add like H1. There are different fonts, there are different spaces, there is like many more things like that we can do. So this was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. And if you guys want to learn about anything or something that you guys really want to learn about, please comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon button so you guys would get notified when my new video on something comes out. And guys, I'm so happy that I reached to 60 subscribers. Thanks to you guys for subscribing to me. Thanks to people who subscribe to me, now I reached to over 50 subscribers. So if you guys want to learn about something, comment down below. And then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon button. And I hope you guys stay tuned in. Bye.